Hi guys, in this lesson we're going to talk about literal equations. Let's start with the definition of literal equations. Literal equations are equations that are used in mathematics and science as formulas. They include one or more variables, and each variable represents an unknown quantity. Let's take a look at this example. The formula for finding the area of a triangle is A equals 1/2 BH. And this is an example of a literal equation because it has three different variables. We have A, we have B, and we have H. Now, let's try and identify what A, B, and H stands for. This is a triangle, and in this triangle, B is the base. And H is the height of the triangle. And then A is the area. Now, to find the area of the triangle, we have to multiply 1/2 by the base times the height. Now, in this question, it says, solve the literal equation for H, which means I need to isolate H by itself. That means we're going to have to try and have H at one side of the equation by itself. To be able to do that, the first step that I can do is to get rid of 1/2, because that's the only number that we have in this literal equation. And to get rid of 1/2, I need to multiply by the reciprocal, which is 2. So I'm going to multiply 2 on both sides, and I'm going to end up with 2A equals BH. Now, I'm almost there, but not completely, because I still have B to get rid of, which is attached to the H. And as you can see, B is multiplied by the H. So to get rid of B, I need to do the opposite. And the inverse, or the opposite of multiplication, is division. So I'm going to have to divide both sides by B. This will help me isolate H by itself at one side, and on the other side I'm going to have 2A divided by B, and that's the end of it. I cannot simplify this anymore, so that's the end result. H equals 2A divided by B, and this is what we call H in terms of A and B.